In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Helldivers 2 matchmaking error. So first thing you'll do is you'll go to control panel. Then you'll go to network, go to your internet, and then properties. Then down here, find this option, properties. And then you want to type in 8888 and then 44, and then click OK, then check if it works. If it doesn't, then I recommend checking if the servers are down. So just type is Helldivers 2 down. So here you'll be able to see if the servers are down for the game. You'll see like some people reporting issues, and if it's down, you'll just have to wait for them to fix the server issues basically. Now, if you're still having the issues, then you can go to CMD and type in two commands that will likely work. So first command, niche winsock reset, and then press enter. Then the second command, you want to type in, let me just delete this, ipconfig /flush DNS, and then press enter. And once you do this, hopefully this should fix your issue.